2024 Best Dual Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Suzuki DR Z400. In the realm of dual sport motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 Suzuki DR Z400 stands out as a top-tier choice, offering a perfect balance of versatility, accessibility, and rugged performance. Renowned for its reliable engineering and purposeful design, the DR Z400 serves as an ideal gateway for novice riders seeking the excitement of on- and off-road adventures. Powering the Suzuki DR Z400 is a 398 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, four-stroke, single-cylinder engine, delivering a manageable yet spirited performance. This engine configuration strikes a harmonious balance, providing sufficient power for both urban commuting and off-road escapades. The responsive throttle and linear power delivery make it an approachable option for riders who are new to the dual sport scene, offering a broad torque curve that adapts well to diverse riding conditions. Design-wise, the DR Z400 sports a rugged and purposeful appearance, reflecting its dual sport nature. With a slim profile, tight fenders, and a high-mounted exhaust, the DR Z400 exudes an off-road ready aesthetic while maintaining practicality for on-road use. The bike's compact and lightweight build enhances maneuverability, crucial for navigating challenging off-road terrain in city streets alike. Comfort is a priority for dual sport riders, and the DR Z400 addresses this with an accommodating riding position. The bike features an upright and relaxed stance, complemented by a comfortable seat and wide handlebars. This configuration ensures that riders can enjoy both short commutes and extended off-road excursions without sacrificing comfort, catering to the needs of beginners exploring the dual sport experience. Handling is a standout feature of the Suzuki DR Z400, combining stability with agility. The bike's nimble chassis and long travel suspension contribute to confident maneuverability on dirt trails, while its well-balanced design provides stability during on-road rides. Novice riders will appreciate the DR Z400's forgiving nature, allowing them to build off-road skills gradually while enjoying a controlled and responsive ride. Safety features are integrated into the DR Z400 to enhance the riding experience for beginners. The bike is equipped with a reliable braking system, providing ample stopping power when needed. While ABS may not be standard on all models, its availability adds an extra layer of safety for riders seeking enhanced control, especially in diverse riding conditions. Affordability is a notable aspect of the DR Z400's appeal. With a competitive price point, the bike offers an accessible entry into the dual sport segment without compromising on performance or reliability. This makes the Suzuki DR Z400 an attractive option for beginners looking to explore both on-road and off-road adventures without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the 2024 Suzuki DR Z400 stands as an outstanding choice for beginners entering the dual sport motorcycle arena. Its versatility, user-friendly design, and reliable performance make it